In this video, we are going to address the competency find the solution of linear equation or inequality in one variable. Example number 1, we will solve a very simple linear equation. We have solved x plus 5 equals 7. So, meaning to say, what value of x makes the equation true? We are going to isolate x on the left side of the equation and the constants on the right side of the equation. So to do that, we are going to subtract 5 from both sides of the equation. So we have 5 minus 5 is 0. So we are going to bring down x, and then 7 minus 5 equals 2. So this means x equals 2. So 2 is the value of x that makes the equation true. Example number 2, solve 3x minus 1 equals 5x plus 9. Same idea, we are going to isolate x on the left side of the equation and the constants on the right side of the equation. So our first step is subtract 5x from both sides. So 3x minus 5x equals negative 2x. Then we are going to bring down negative 1, then equals here, then 5x minus 5x equals 0, then bring down 9. So our next step is to add 1 on both sides of the equation. So we are going to bring down negative 2x, negative 1 plus 1 is 0, and 9 plus 1 equals 10. So we have negative 2x equals 10. To get rid of negative 2, we are going to divide both sides of the equation by negative 2. So negative 2x divided by negative 2 equals x, and then 10 divided by negative 2 equals negative 5. So this means the value of x here is negative 5, and also the value of x here is negative 5. So negative 5 is the value of x that will make the equation true. Example number 3, this time we are going to solve simple linear inequality. So same idea, we are going to isolate x on the left side and the constants on the right side. So the first step that we are going to do is subtract 9 from both sides. So we are going to bring down 2x, 9 minus 9 is 0, and 3 minus 9 equals negative 6. So we have 2x is less than negative 6. Now to get rid of 2, we are going to divide both sides by 2. So 2x divided by 2 is x. Then our inequality sign here is less than. Then negative 6 divided by 2 is negative 3. So our answer is x is less than negative 3. Example number 4. Solve 3x minus 5 is greater than or equal to 5x plus 11. Again, same idea. We are going to isolate x on the left side and the constants on the right side. So our first step is subtract 5x from both sides. So 3x minus 5x equals negative 2x. Bring down negative 5. Then we have greater than or equal to here, then 5x minus 5x is 0, and then bring down 11. So our next step is add 5 on both sides. So we are going to bring down negative 2x, and then negative 5 plus 5 is 0, then the inequality sign greater than or equal to is here, and then 11 plus 5 is 16. Now to get rid of negative 2, we are going to divide both sides by negative 2. So take note that the coefficient of x here is a negative number. So if we are going to divide an inequality by a negative number, so this inequality symbol switches. So negative 2x divided by negative 2 is x. So our inequality symbol becomes less than or equal to, and then 16 divided by negative 2 is negative 8. This is the most important part of solving inequality that we have to take note. So every time the coefficient of x is negative, the inequality symbol switches. Okay, suppose this is just 2x is greater than or equal to 16. So the coefficient of x here is 2, it's positive. So when we divide both sides by 2, so our answer is just x is greater than or equal to 8. Our inequality symbol here does not change. And also, if we have negative 2x is less than or equal to 16, since the coefficient of x here is negative 2, to get rid of negative 2, we divide both sides by negative 2. Then again, this inequality sign here changes to greater than or equal to. Example number 5. Solve 3 times the quantity 2x minus 6 is greater than or equal to 4 times the quantity x minus 1. So our first step here is remove parentheses. So to do that, we apply distributive property of multiplication. We multiply 3 times 2x and then 3 times negative 6. And then on the right side, we are going to multiply 4 times x, then 4 times negative 1. So this is what we get. Now, same idea, we are going to isolate x on the left side. Then to do that, we are going to subtract 4x from both sides. So 6x minus 4x is 2x. Bring down negative 18, then our inequality symbol greater than or equal to, then bring down negative 4. Our next step is add 18 on both sides. So bring down 2x. Then we have negative 18 plus 18 is 0. Then our inequality symbol here greater than or equal to. Then negative 4 plus 18 is 14. Now to get rid of 2, we are going to divide both sides by 2. So 2x divided by 2 is just x. And then 14 divided by 2 is 7. So our answer is x is greater than or equal to 7. Thanks for watching, guys. This is Teacher Regil. Keep safe.